Snowboarding used to be all about love laps and powder days. Sa! Then the grommets came along. They dominate. It's not all ruined though. I've got some locals tips to save your shred days and have some fun with the family up the hill. This dad video is heated. Most important part of the day, making a secret sauce.
Chocolate.
Oh, you went too soon. The secret sauce.
Hot chocolate.
This is how the day's gonna go, basically. Hey, get out of that salt. Get out of there. DJ Mummy. What do you want DJ Mummy to play, Arch Boy?
Hey, you're here for the event, the car park school today.
Oh, bro, it's so much worse.
Yeah.
Kids.
No worries.
Probably should have used the drop-off zone. Hey Jess, have some friends coming up with little kids. They're not going to be able to use the snow at the same time. Do you have any options?
Yeah, we have our parent pass, which we can do, and it allows them to have 10 runs between them.
No way, sub in and out.
Yeah,
oh,
so
that's perfect for
5
parents.
runs each, or you know, share them
Okay.
out however.
Here you go.
Get the little cubby hole, save myself from carrying these around all day. Hey, chuck them at you. Hey, right, buddy? Nice. Nice son, buddy. Give me a jump. Hey, good. Snowboard toboggan. How much easier is it coming on here with when it's storming? Yeah. Yo, wait up! Dad hack. We need to clip in fast. Oh, those step-ons are a lifesaver. Okay, Arch, get the shot. Dude, nothing puts pressure on the dad in the park like being A, the oldest one here, and B, only having time for like 2 laps before I've got to go back and buy cookies. Hot chip time! Kid currency, tomato sauce. Another classic dad maneuver here, the mule. How come I get lugged with all the gear? Archie, carry some of the stuff. What? Tub for his muddy gear. Another good dad tip. And that's about it. Everybody have a good day on the mountain?
Yeah.
High five. Yeah, buddy.
Me too.